Hi, in this video I want to show you how to test a ball and seat to make sure it's good. In this video we're going to use this vacuum tester to do this. It has a plate on top where you can place the ball and seat. And I will say first thing you might want to do is make sure this plate is clean. I did that before the video. I just used a little bit of penetrating oil and a rag to wipe it down, because if there's something built up that catches on the seat, it won't work right. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I have my ball and seat here. I'm going to place them as a team. On top of this plate there's a hole. I'm going to make sure they get seated over that hole. And next thing I'll have to do is turn this on. And I can see that the needle here is at 0 psi and 0 inches of mercury. And since we're trying to pull a vacuum, we should expect it to drop into the inches of mercury meter to see that there is a vacuum on it. So I'm going to put it on it. And I see that the needle went down to close to 30 inches of mercury. Now that will only happen if there is a seal at the top. So what we're seeing is that the ball and seat is sealed. That's what we want to test. We want to know that it's sealed. One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spin this around and watch the needle while I do. And I see that it's not dropping anywhere. No matter where I spin the ball, we do have a seal with the seat. So we know that this ball and seat is good. If there was something wrong, we might see the needle drop like that. See, air is now moving through there, through the hole. So we want to see that it is sealed correctly. After we do that, we know that the ball and seat is good. Remember to always keep your ball on the side of the seat that it was tested. So if you go and put this in a cage, make sure that the ball ends up on the same side of the seat that you tested on.